Hi guys, so if you're still watching, thank you so much. So this basically was just the unboxing, and now I'm going to just try out the iPad for the very first time. I have actually never done a digital painting like this. I only worked on Photoshop with my Wacom tablet. So yeah, it was kinda hard to do, to be honest. And yeah, but I'm super excited, and it is actually very cool to finally try it out. And yeah, and it might not have been the best choice, but I figured I'm going to do what I really love to do, so I started painting a face. I was super off with the proportions though, and that's totally fine because it was like my first tryout on the iPad Pro, and I've never done this before, so it's totally okay that it looks like that, but still, man, I struggled. So it took me about 8 hours to do this painting, and it's not even that good. It's totally fine though. And I'm not blaming myself for not being able to do a nice painting for the very first time on the iPad. And I'm trying a lot right now to get better and better and better, and I kinda think I'm figuring it out right now. Yeah, I will bring you more videos on how I paint on the iPad pretty soon, but for now, that is all I got for you. So thank you so much for tuning in, and have a great experience. Love you all. See you soon. Bye. Peace out.